welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Katrina and my job is to help you speak and read Mandarin Chinese with confidence and joy. In today's lesson, we're going to learn 10 most commonly used phrases of Mandarin Chinese and also improve your Mandarin listening skills. So here is what we are going to do today. I'm going to give you 10 Chinese most commonly used phrases, and in each phrase I will give you several sentences with a phrase. With each sentence come out, I will not give you any English translation or any text. So you're going to rely on your listening skill and try to understand what the sentence means. What do I say in Mandarin Chinese? The second time or the third time when I repeat a sentence, I'll give you text, pinyin, and English translation. And by the way, if you want to download the PDF worksheet of this lesson, you can click link in the description. There's a free podcast lesson that you can free join and download this lesson's lesson note worksheet. Now, without further ado, let's get started. The first one is 麻烦你了，麻烦你了。Most of the time when people say 麻烦你了, it's kind of like 谢谢, thank you. So if you say 麻烦你了 as 谢谢 in Mandarin Chinese, you probably impress a lot of native speakers of Mandarin Chinese. Let me give you some examples. 麻烦你了，能帮我拿一下那个包吗？麻烦你了，能帮我拿一下那个包吗？Do you understand what I say? If this is too fast, then you can pause this video or rewind, repeat what I say. 麻烦你了，能帮我拿一下那个包吗？ So what I say was 麻烦你了. Sorry to trouble you. Thank you. Sorry to trouble you. 能帮我拿一下那个包吗？能帮我 help me 帮我拿一下. So the key word here is 拿 to take. 拿一下那个包吗？ That bag. So, sorry to trouble you. Can you take that bag for me? 麻烦你了，能帮我拿一下那个包吗？ The next example with 麻烦你了，麻烦你了，能借我一点钱吗？我忘了带我的钱包。麻烦你了，能借我一点钱吗？我忘了带我的钱包。Okay, do you understand? So what I say was 麻烦你了。Sorry to trouble you. 能借我一点钱吗？ So the key word is 钱，一点钱 and 借 to lend. 能借我一点钱吗？ Can you lend me some money? 我忘了带我的钱包。忘了 forget 我的钱包. So here are the key words. Can you lend me some money? I forgot my wallet. The next phrase is 辛苦你了。辛苦你了. Using this phrase is to express that you acknowledge other people's hard work and hardship. And also, it's a good phrase to tell thank you to other people. Let's take a look at some examples. First example, 做了那么多好菜给我们吃，真是辛苦你了。做了那么多好菜给我们吃，真是辛苦你了。Okay, so do you understand what do I say? So this sentence means that thank you for your hard work. You made so many nice dishes for us to eat. To understand the listening of the sentence is to catch the keywords, phrases like 辛苦你了 and 做 to do and 菜 dishes 给我们 for us 吃. So these are the keywords that you need to catch in order to understand the sentence. The next example, 辛苦你了，谢谢你帮我照顾我的孩子。One more time. 辛苦你了，谢谢你帮我照顾我的孩子。So here means thank you for your hard work. Thank you for taking care of my children. 辛苦你了。谢谢你照顾 So 照顾 here is the key word. 我的孩子 also is the key word in this listening. 辛苦你了，谢谢你帮我照顾我的孩子。The next phrase is 保重，保重。保重 means to take care. Example sentences. 感冒要好好休息，多喝水，保重身体。感冒要好好休息，多喝水，保重身体。 So 感冒 here means a cold or catch a cold. 感冒要好好休息. So another key word is 休息 to rest. So it means that if you catch a cold, you need to get well rested. 感冒要好好休息，多喝水 drink a lot of water. 保重身体 So here we have 保重 take care. 身体 In this case, if you don't know what 身体 means, you can still understand the full sentence. But 保重身体 literally means to take care of your body, which means take care of health. 感冒要好好休息，多喝水，保重身体。Next one, 你最近工作压力很大，要多保重，别太累了。最近工作压力很大，要多保重，别太累了。So 你最近工作压力很大。You have a lot of pressure from work recently. So 最近工作压力很大。压力 pressure 很大 very big, so big pressure from work. 要多保重 you have to take more care of yourself. 别太累了 don't get too tired. 别太累了 The next phrase is 对了，对了。So the phrase 对了 is very commonly used when we suddenly remember something and then we want to remind other people. We say 对了 It's like by the way in English. For example, 对了，你吃饭了吗？对了，你吃饭了吗？ Do you understand the sentence? 对了，你吃饭了吗？ Slower. 对了，你吃饭了吗？ Oh, by the way, have you eaten yet? 对了，你吃饭了吗？对了，你跟他见过面了吗？对了，你跟他见过面了吗？ Oh, by the way, have you met him yet? 对了，你跟他见过面了吗 So the key word here is 见过面 have met. 你跟他见过面了吗 The next phrase is 借过。借过 So when we use the phrase 借过 is when we want to go to somewhere, but there are so many people in the middle, so we want to tell the people, excuse me, I want to come through, alright? 借过 For example, 不好意思借过不好意思借过 What does that mean? 不好意思借过不好意思 I said it faster 不好意思不好意思不好意思借过 Excuse me, coming through The next example 不好意思你可以借过一下吗不好意思你可以借过一下吗Alright, no, I say that very fast, so if you need, just pause the video, alright? 不好意思，你可以借过一下吗？不好意思 ，excuse me， 不好意思，你可以借过一下吗？你可以，你可以。So I say that pretty fast. 你可以，你可以。So slower, that would be 你可以，你可以，你可以，你可以。借过一下吗 ？Excuse me, okay? Can you just move a little bit 不好意思你可以借过一下吗 So the phrase 借过 The next one is 怎么样怎么样 We use this phrase when we want to ask how's something something going 怎么样 For example 好久不见你最近怎么样好久不见你最近怎么样 That's pretty fast, right? You can pause the video So slower, I would say, 好久不见 Long time no see 好久不见你最近怎么样 How have you been? How are you recently? 好久不见你最近怎么样 Faster? 好久不见你最近怎么样最近 I would just say 最近怎么样 Okay, that's pretty fast. 最近怎么样你的新工作做得怎么样你的新工作做得怎么样 One more time. 你的新工作做得怎么样 So the keyword here is 怎么样 and 做的 and 新工作 the new job. So even if you don't know 做的 here, you know 新工作 new word, new job and 怎么样 you can understand the whole sentence. 你的新工作做得怎么样 The next phrase is 差不多This means more or less or not much different. 差 means difference. 不多 is not much, so not much difference. 我跟他的年纪差不多。 我跟他的年纪差不多。So the key word to understand the sentence is you have to know 差不多 and 年纪。年纪 means age. So if I say 我跟他的年纪差不多 so it means that our age is about the same. 我和他的年纪差不多。我们差不多大。我们差不多大。大 here means big or huge, but here it means age. So literally, we are about the same big, but 大 here means age. So we're about the same age. 我们差不多大。我们差不多大。The next phrase is 不一定。不一定。So 一定 here means definitely or certain. So 不一定 here means not definite, not certain, not sure, it depends. 不一定。For example, 你明天会去台北吗？不一定。你明天会去台北吗？不一定。What does this conversation mean? 你明天会去台北吗？ Will you go to Taipei tomorrow? So 去台北 and 明天 is a key word in this conversation. To understand the question, you have to understand 明天 the key word tomorrow and 台北 Taipei. 你明天会去台北吗？ And the reply is 不一定. It depends. I'm not sure. It's not certain. 你明天会去台北吗？不一定. The next example, 你这个周末有时间吗？不一定。你这个周末有时间吗？不一定。So, to understand this conversation, the question, you have to understand 这个周末 this weekend, that's the keywords, and 有时间 have time. So, if you understand those two, you understand the question. 你这个周末有时间吗？ Do you have time this weekend? And the reply is 不一定。It depends. And the next phrase is very similar to 不一定, what we just mentioned, that is 要看. 要看. You can use this phrase alone, 要看, as it depends. Also, you could put a factor or a scenario after 要看 to talk about depends on something something. For example, 你明天有时间吗？不一定，要看我的工作. Again, 你明天有时间吗？不一定，要看我的工作。So the first sentence is 你明天有时间吗？ Do you have time tomorrow? So the key words is 明天 and 有时间。And the answer 不一定，要看我的工作。So it means not certain, it depends on my job. 不一定，要看我的工作。明天我们要去台北吗？不一定，要看天气。明天我们要去台北吗？不一定，要看天气。So here the first sentence is 明天去台北。So are we going to go to Taipei tomorrow? 明天我们要去台北吗？ And the answer 不一定，要看天气。Well, I'm not certain. It depends on the weather. 不一定，要看天气。So as you can see that if you want to say, I'm not sure, it depends on so and so, you usually use 不一定, 要看, and the factor. By the way, if you feel I'm speaking too fast, feel free to pause this video and repeat a few times. And if you need an audio, you can always download the audio of this lesson in my free podcast lesson. The link is in the description, and free download the lesson note of today's video lesson. The next phrase is 还好. 还好. 还好 is it's okay. For example, 你觉得这道菜怎么样？我觉得还好。Again, 你觉得这道菜怎么样？我觉得还好。So, what do you think of this dish? 这道菜 means this dish. 道 is the measure word for dishes, 菜。你觉得这道菜怎么样？ What do you think of this dish? 我觉得还好。I think it's okay. Another example, 我觉得今天好冷。我觉得还好。我觉得今天好冷。我觉得还好。我觉得今天好冷。So cold today. The reply is, 我觉得还好。I think it's okay. 我觉得还好。Again, if you want to download this lesson's worksheet, lesson note, and also the audio file of this lesson, feel free to click the link down below and join my free podcast lesson. I have all the podcast lesson note worksheet download inside the curriculum. Feel free to click the link down below and to take them. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you have watched this video to the end, let me know in the comment and say I made it and I will cheer for you. Thank you so much again for joining me and I will see you next time. 再见